Alright, we're on the outbound platform of Edison. South. Let's walk where everybody else is walking. And pick it up when we get somewhere up here. Station house on the inbound side where I gotta go. Little waiting area here on the outbound side, elevator. We're on high level platforms. Alright. Flagstone Station House. Parking. Okay, let's go in. That was the inside of the station house on the inbound side. The station's modern, but it's got a little bit of deterioration here at the bases of the aggregate walls. Here's the outbound side. Walking south on the northbound platform. Kind of a cool design here. Place to wait. Not a huge parking lot, but it's a good-sized town, so you would think they would have a good-sized ridership. So we'll check that out. That's basically the lay of the land here at Edison on the northeast corridor. Just show you where we are. Right here. Metuchen next, and then Metropark in Edison, New Jersey. Edison. This is Metuchen on the inbound side. Looking north. Let's walk over to the station house, see what there is to see. Another high-level platform station. Here's a handicap accessible ramp. Let's go look at the station house. It's kind of unique barn wood windscreen. Looks like a regular house. Let's go through the station house. There's some rusted heaters. Small parking lot. Here's the station house from the outside. Let's go in the waiting room if we can. It's locked from the other door. Fireplace. That's basically it. I don't think the ticket office is open. That's basically it for Metuchen. Okay, now we're in Metropark station, Edison, New Jersey, on the Northeast Corridor. Got off at the south end of the train. There's a lot of office parks around here, big parking garage, bus feeder area. Pretty modern station. Here's the outbound side with a canopy pretty much the length of the platform.
Attention, Metropark passengers. The New Jersey Transit 809 Midbound Northeast Corner line to Penn Station, New York is expected to arrive on track 1 in approximately 8 minutes.
I might take that. We'll see. In 8 minutes. Gotta get a ticket. Alright, let's see what else there is to see here. Take a quick look at the Metropark entrance. On the inbound side, that's where the ticket vending machines are, behind that clouded little structure. Bike lockers. It's a modern station, but it's got some rust issues. Alright, let's go back up to the platform. Lots of, oh, there's 2 pedestrian bridges from the large parking garage over there. Alright. There's a train on the southbound platform. It's been sitting there a little while. And my northbound train should be coming in just a minute here. Kind of around a gentle curve. And here it comes. Into Metropark. You can see it's at a little bit of a slant. Here we are at Rahway, at the northern end of the outbound platform. And it's a modern station, high level. It's very breezy today, so I hope the wind slayer is doing the job. We'll take those stairs. So it's got a center island platform here on the southbound side, and then a side platform over on the northbound side. Some of the area of Rahway is some new construction, relatively new. So a lot of people can walk to the station. Boy, if the wind slayer is not working, you won't be able to even hear me, but hopefully you can hear me. The train is sitting here at the station a long time. They do that, I've noticed. Well, let's take a look at this stairway now and then come back to the middle part and go over to the northbound side. Just to show you where we are, we're here at Rahway. So this is where these 2 lines meet, the North Jersey coastline and the Northeast Corridor line. So Rahway is a big connection point. I'm just walking down the stairs at the northern end of the station. A lot of rust on these big steel girders holding up the northeast corridor. Might as well walk over to the inbound side now. We'll check out if there's a tunnel. I'm pretty sure there is. Little slice of Rahway. Looks like a little old and new. It's actually a hotel. So, let's go up the stairs here. Very rusty. Just walk down the inbound platform, northbound platform. That's the outbound, southbound side. Glass block. It's attractive. Alright, let's take a look here. So they have a waiting area where you can buy tickets, and there's an elevator. Staircase. Alright, let's take a quick look here. Attractive, simple. Let's take a look. Unique lights. Yeah, there's a tunnel. Take a look. Sort of a bell tower campanile. See how windy it is. So hopefully you can't hear how windy it is. There's the Rahway station. Very attractive. Be curious as to who designed it. Rahway. So it has clocks on this side which tell the correct time. 10 to 1 on a Wednesday. Alright. Let's go back through the station, through the tunnel. Look at the outbound side real quick. Stores, taxi place. Continue on the other side. And here's the southbound side from the outside. Here at Rahway. Take a quick walk up to the station house on the southbound side. Glass block waiting area. The inbound side. elevator. You see the old Pennsylvania Railroad signal system still being used. And another place to go between the inbound and the outbound side, which I will take to go back over to the inbound side.